Did you know that Egusi pepper soup is an oilless traditional dish that is often delightful? Hello, sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your oilless Egusi pepper soup. These are the ingredients you need to make your soup. For my stock, my protein, I'm using chicken, shrimps, POMO, stockfish, dry fish, crayfish, egusi, pepper soup ingredient, and UZIZA leaf. In a pot, you go in with your chicken, and then you're just going to go in with your seasoning cube and your onion. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of sliced onion to it and add water, mix together, and then I'm going to just cover this and allow it to get cooked until it is tender. After 25 minutes, yes, chicken takes time to get cooked. This is not a soft chicken. After 25 minutes, I'm just going to go in with my cow skin, that's my POMO. Then I'm also going in with my stockfish, and I'm just going to mix together. Make sure it is properly seated in the pot. Then I'm just going to cover this again and allow it to get cooked. While our proteins are getting cooked, or bring out to your blender, then I'm going to rinse our egusi, that's our melon. Then I'm going to put it inside the blender with my sliced onion and also habanero peppers. Then I'm just going to add water to it and make sure it blends smoothly. One of the challenges about this soup is that a lot of people try this recipe and it doesn't come out well. That's the texture, and they're not comfortable with it, and that's why this soup is often overlooked. But say no more, Chef Bosse is here for you to teach you the easiest way to go around this. After our melon is very smooth, we're just going to pour it in a bowl and then set aside. Now our proteins are ready. Time for us to go in with our blended pepper, and also this has a little bit of onion, ginger, and garlic to it. And do not forget, this is egusi pepper soup, so it has to have a little bit of pepper to it according to what you can handle. Then I'm just going to go in with water because you need water to make this soup. This soup doesn't have to be too thick, just slightly thick. And after that, I'm just going to go in with my blended egusi. Then I'm going to mix together just as you can see. Mix together. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my pepper soup spice, my blended pepper soup spice. Then I'm going to mix this together again. Make sure it is properly mixed together. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to get cooked. After 3 minutes, I went in with my dry fish, then also my crayfish, my blended crayfish, and our prawns. Then I'm going to mix together. Notice our melon is already boiling. Our egusi soup is already coming together. At this stage, I would advise you to taste your soup so that you can correct it. After tasting my soup, I realized I need a little bit of seasoning cube and also salt. I went in with the quantity I wanted, then I'm also adding water to it so my soup doesn't get too thick. We're just going to mix together again. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to get cooked properly. Then after this, we're just going to go in with our last ingredients. I will allow this to boil between 6 to 9 minutes on a medium heat to make sure my egusi is properly cooked. Then I went in with my UZIZA leaf. Mix together, make sure all ingredients are properly and well incorporated. Time for us to serve. You want to guess what I paired this with? I'm sure you know already. This soup tastes so delightful, so delicious, and so perfect. If you're on a weight loss journey or you're trying to make food without too much oil or any oil at all, this soup should come to your mind. So my sweet fingers lovers, tell me how I did in this video. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Would you be trying this recipe? Would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos, like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.